Hello everyone, this is Billy. Well, this is my shop. So, I know guys, a lot of you are living in the city somewhere in the world, and well, you don't have a lot of room. Like myself, I am living in Rioux, a little town in Quebec, Canada. So, I just have a small apartment, and I really wanted to have a place to play, you know, to carve some wood and to do some carpentry. And this is the pattern I invented. This is the pattern I create to make it nice at the same time. Because yes, I am in my living room right now, so it really needed to look nice. And I'll show you now how I built it, guys. Alright guys, first the boards. Okay, you see the boards on the back? They're 6 inches wide and 8 feet long, okay? And I used the whole length for the wall and the side. And after, to put the boards on the wall, well, as you know guys, I couldn't really screw the boards into the wall. My owner, I'm pretty sure he wouldn't have liked it. So, the thing is, I had to find a way to put it on the wall. So I use lamp, okay? I use 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 lamps, and on it, I screw the boards. So under, I just put some screws, and I fix it after on the wall, and there is only 4 screws. Can you believe it? 4 screws for the whole wall, for my whole shop. Only 4 screws that goes into the wall. So this is great. All right. So the lat, and to put the lat a little bit further, I'm using the table, the work table right here. On the boards, I put some oil. It's tung oil. This is the oil I put. I'm not using too much linen oil because the wood become yellow after a while. So tung oil is very good. It stayed natural. The wood stayed natural, which I really like it. So I just put 1 coat on the walls, and that looks nice. Hey, here we go. After that was the wood rods. I used 2 sizes of it. The small one for small object like this. Very easy. I just made a hole, put it inside, and that's it. Squeeze it inside. That's it. So I could use all my axes and my saw. So this is what I was using. All right, so I show you my knives. Okay, I show you my knives. As you can see right now, there is my knives. So I've got my bushcraft knives that I put here. Easy again, I put, you know, I made some holes, put a rope behind and up, just pass through the holes, and that's it. So it's very easy. Can take, whoops, can take my knife and I can work and carve my wood just right here. I made myself a little rack with the lap I had, okay, very easy again. I cut just 1 piece at 45 degrees, okay, to hold the rack. Here we go. And after, put some holes for, here we go, put a hole for the screwdriver. And that's it. And this is used, these tools are used to sharpen end saw and crosscut saw. So this is, I'm using this is, and this is my next project. So to clean it and to make it nice. This is another rack, again, with a nice edge here, so it can stay, so I can put my, you know, all my pencil, my pen on it. It won't fall down. And even here, as you can see guys, another rack here, and I put all my bushcraft knives and everything. So when I go in the bush, okay, just grab it, grab my knives, put it in my pocket, and I'm ready to go. Very nice lamp here, LED lamp, and I just turn it over, and I've got just right here my couch. So I just need to sit here. There we go, and I can read some of Rainer's book, or you know, or Morse Kerensky book, just right here. Here we go, which is nice. I've got my lamp. All right, and now maybe you're wondering about these guns. Well, the one on the top, it's for my grandfather. I don't use them anymore because they're very old. And we've got a blunderbuss just underneath So this is dating, you know, at the beginning of the 19th century. So it's been a long time, 1800s. So that's a long, way old, gone. And I just put it there because I really love firearm and it looks nice. So this is it. When I want to carve, okay, I just got my knife, very easy, and I just carve it on the edge right here. I've got my wall in front of me and I've got the edge. There we go. And the piece of wood just stay on the corner right here. Very easy after, you know, to clean it, very easy. So this is the way I do it, just carve it there. And after I just clean it with a broom or vacuum cleaner, that's it. Here we go. And of course, well, I didn't want to spend so much money on it because I don't know how much I'm gonna leave here. So the thing is, just the boards on the top, just on the walls, all the boards cost me less than 100 Canadian dollars. So that's fairly cheap, okay? And the table just behind me was $350. It's a Mastercraft. This is working good. It's kind of high. Okay, so I'm able to work and to stand, and it's not too low, and I can even lift it a bit. So this is just great. I like it because it's about 6 feet long. Yeah, about 6 feet, 5 to 6 feet. So I've got plenty of room to play, and for a total less than $500, I've got my own shop, and now I have a place where I can do my own project, which is just great, guys. I just have fun here and spending time, you know, in my own little room where, you know, this is my place, okay? This is my place, so nobody can come around, this is mine, you know? So, well, one day I'm gonna build a home, but sooner or later, I will see. So far, I'm here and I want to be happy in my own little place. So that was my shop. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you know, I encourage you very much, guys, to own your own place somewhere where you are. If you can make your own little place, your own little room or something that you feel that you belong there, you can do your own project like bushcrafting, carving, you know, a bit of carpentry. You don't need a lot of room, just tiny bit, but this is a place where you just belong, which is just so important. Well, guys, this is Billy. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Well, as always, you live your passion, live the adventure. See you very soon for another video. Hey, take care. If you're new to my channel, sub. Don't forget to sub. Hey, thanks, guys. Bye.